Let's take a tour of the Inquiry Circle forum. This is where you'll be doing your work on a regular basis. This is the home base for everything we're doing in the Work 101 for Busy People. So the first thing to do is to go to the forum page. And you can do that by going to theworkasmeditation.com/inquiry circle. And you can see right here, this is the addition. Here's my regular website URL, theworkasmeditation.com. And then there's a backslash inquiry dash circle. And you can put another backslash if you like. What I suggest doing is bookmarking this in your browser. Just go to bookmarks and bookmark this page, whatever browser you're using. You cannot find this page by just going to theworkasmeditation.com. If you just go to theworkasmeditation.com, there's no link that will take you to the forum. And the reason for that is I don't, if it's available to everyone, then I get a lot of spam and people trying to log in and they think it makes life more complicated for me. So I have this as a kind of a hidden area. You just put slash inquiry circle and then boom, this is the place. The best thing to do is just bookmark it. And then here, this is the login page. You can just type in your name. I have a test user. I'm going to log in and enter your password. And then if you forget your password, just click on this I forgot my password link and you'll get a chance to enter your username and your email and then get a copy of your password sent back to you. And then one thing is really important is to check this remember me box. If you don't check the remember me box, then after an hour, I don't even remember the exact amount of time, the forum will kick you out. It'll just see like maybe you're not active and it will log you out automatically. This is a security feature, but it has a problem is that if you're in the middle of working on something, then you will lose all the work that you just did. Also, when you check this box, then you won't have to enter your username and password every time you come to the forum. You just go straight in and enter the forum. So make sure you check that and then simply click login. And this takes you to the basic level, what's called the board index level. This is like the root level of the forum. And the only thing here you'll see is the Work 101 for Busy People. So if you click on that, then this is the forum where we're going to be doing our work. You can see a bunch of other sub-forums, but this is the Work 101 for Busy People. And you can also see that there's a little trail, this is called breadcrumbs trail, where you can go back to where you started. So the first login, like root level when you logged in, it's called the board index. If you click on this link, it takes you right back where we were. Likewise, if you click through and then maybe go a little deeper into the forum, maybe go into the instructions, computer templates, like now you can see that computer templates, instructions, the Work 101 for Busy People, and then board index. This is the breadcrumbs trail that will lead you back home. So if you get deeply lost in the forum somewhere, you can always look up here and then get reoriented. Just click on the Work 101 for Busy People, takes you right back. Or if you want to go all the way back, that's fine too. So let's go over some of these sub-forums so you get familiar with just the layout of the structure of the place here. The first one is instructions. And this is where you'll be checking on a daily basis for instructions. I'll post the new assignments here, and I'll post them in duplicate. You'll find them in the computer templates area and in the phone tablet friendly area. It's the same assignment in either case, but if you're working on a computer, which I highly recommend, you'll find the ones that work best with a computer here. If you're working on a tablet or a phone, then you can find these here. There's a little bit of a workaround with certain assignments, but it will still also work. So let's just take a look. Inside the computer templates area, you'll see the overview video, the welcome video that I made for you, as well as a little bit of reading and the recording from the welcome call, and then just another quick little video as well. So that's the first assignment, sort of the Sunday assignment. And you'll find that right here in the computer templates area. If I go back a level to instructions, click into phone tablet friendly, you see the same assignment here, exact same assignment, nothing different whatsoever. And right now, because there's no written assignment, these two look exactly the same, whether it's in the phone tablet friendly or the computer templates, looks the same. But when we get into some written assignments, you'll see there'll be some subtle differences in the layout of those assignments. Okay, so coming back out, the instructions is where I'll post the assignments, and then the workspaces and groups is where you'll do the assignments. So if I click there, you'll see there are a whole bunch of little sub forums, and each one has a name on it. So if you look closely, you'll find your name, and this is going to be your personal workspace. If you click on it, there's nothing in there right now, but when you do an assignment, you'll be just clicking a new topic and beginning your assignment there. You'll also notice that the workspaces come in little groups of 3. So there's 3 pictures that are the same, and then another 3 pictures that are the same, and then another 2 pictures that are the same. And each one of these small groups is has the same picture, and you'll be working together throughout the entire 9 months together. So we'll get into more how we'll be using these small groups, but basically this will be your support group while you're here. And you'll be reading the work of other people in your group, and they'll be reading yours and that kind of thing. Okay, the next one is spoken work partners. There's nothing in there yet, but as soon as we begin doing the work, every month you'll be paired up with a new partner for doing the work, and you'll find in here a post with the list of your partners for that month. And then you'll arrange a time to work with your partner and then do the work in spoken form. And then you'll leave a little report on what you found, any insights or anything like that, back in your workspace. So you'll do the work in spoken form, but then you'll still go back to workspaces and groups and leave a little report. And that allows me to just keep track. Everybody's keeping up with the assignments and to take care of the attendance. So the attendance is the next area, and if you click here, there's one post in this, and it's just simply the attendance sheet. It looks like this, very simple. You'll have your name over here on the left, and then the assignment up here on the top. And as you can see, there are sort of various colors when it's not done. And then when it becomes done, it becomes this green color. So you can always tell when the assignment is done that it becomes green. And I also write yes. So there'll be specific assignments in here. I haven't filled those in yet, but once I do, they'll be blank at first, and then they'll have a little yes next to them. And then when you've completed, and once there's a yes there, I will also turn it to green, and it will be done. So this is a great way to keep track of how far you've come along, if there's an assignment missing, anything like that. Okay, then the support forum is where you can ask any question. If you're not sure if you're doing something right, or you have any kind of doubt, if you have any kind of support question related to your work as well, this is where you can post that. And then I can take a look at it very quickly, can see what's going on and support you. And also we may have some co-trainers working with me as well, and they will also be contributing their support here whenever you leave something in this forum. The next one is the lounge. This one is a little different than support. Support is for your questions. The lounge is where you can just share something if you want to, or if you have to, of course you can ask anything there as well, but this is a less formal kind of support area. It's more just like a hangout area. It's where you do anything other than doing the work, basically. It's just, you'll find out. It's just kind of a extra place where sometimes I'll post something interesting, or someone else may want to share something, an insight, or anything at all. Suggestion box is just what it sounds like. Anytime you have a suggestion, to improve this course, just leave it here. Of course, if you want to do that privately and you want to send me a private message or send me an email, you can do that as well. And then resources, there's just one in here. It's the Byron Katie's forms for doing the work. And when you click in, you'll see that there's all the instructions for doing the work, Judge Your Neighbor worksheet, all these different forms that are useful when you're actually doing the work. The One Belief worksheet, all of that. So feel free to reference these anytime during the course. And then the Meet the Co-Trainers area, I haven't decided yet if we'll be having co-trainers, but I think there's a good chance we will. And if so, you will find their introductions here in Meet the Co-Trainers area. So that's it. This is the Work 101 for busy people. And if you just kind of want to explore around, it's good to just get lost a little bit and then find your way back to the home button. And we'll be getting more into the details of how to use these different forums once we start moving forward. But for now, that's it. Thanks for showing up to look at how this forum works and the overall structure of it. And I'm looking forward to doing the next step with you.